Welcome to Seaplane Base. My name's Jeff Plants, and I'm a volunteer. I've been volunteering here about 25 years. We work on helping pilots get into the docks and the piers, make sure they get a tent and they get all set up, and they have a fun time.
Hi, I'm Lori Barger. I'm at the Seaplane Base. We are here on point operations, and we help support the pilots when they're flying in.
Copy. We're going to hold short of the cut for the inbound aircraft. And through the Gulf, we're going to come through the cut, but then depending on these winds, we may just need to be pulled up to the dock.